Hello, I'm AZ1 Dar, the FAME Administrator Course Supervisor. Today, we will be going over the proper procedures for the SlamStick download.
Current issues in the fleet are missing SlamStick reports that are not correlating with flight data. Upon completion of an aircraft flight or ground run, the pilot or maintainer will log into a PIMA with their CAT card, turn off the SlamStick, and insert both the maintenance card and the SlamStick.
General notes. Maintenance cards include data transfer devices, DTDs, and the maintenance PC cards. Personal Computer Memory Card International Association, PCMCIA, and data storage units, DSUs. DTDs require an encryption key, which is created with a password. This password must be at least 15 characters and contain uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. Before every use, the DTD must be encrypted with this new key file built from the password. After every use, the DTD must be decrypted with a new key file that is also built from the same password. If the password does not match, the DTD will not be able to be decrypted and the data will be lost. Remove DTD maintenance card and SlamStick upon completion of download. It is required to properly eject DTDs to prevent damage.
At this point, the pilot will log into UMA to log the nav FLIR. Once the nav FLIR is complete, log into FAME to start the download and debrief process, simply by clicking on the debrief flight data application and clicking download. The debrief confirmation screen indicates the end of the debrief process. Once the maintenance card is erased, the SlamStick will begin downloading the flight file as part of the debrief. This process will ensure SlamStick data correlates to the flight data. This download process will start automatically after the maintenance card completes the download.
Here you will see the screen indicates the SlamStick data was successfully downloaded and synced to the flight file. If it appears that there was a physiological event, you may be tasked with generating a SlamStick report to be used by maintenance, medical, and engineering professionals. Start by clicking on the Flight Summary Tool application, then select a flight file from the Select MU File screen. Once the report screen is open, scroll down about halfway until you see SlamStick Reports. Click the checkbox and click View Reports. The report shown plots SlamStick cabin pressure in feet with aircraft altitude from the maintenance card. Next, AZ2 Sheaver will explain proper handling of the SlamStick.
So with your SlamStick, your 1 Hertz is located in here, and your 10 Hertz is located in here. With these new covers, the way you put them on correctly is to cover the square button, just like that, and that's how the pilots will receive them and get them. The wrong way will be this way. And what this does is it prevents a lot of commands throughout the Navy and everything. They were covering this up with either tape or Velcro, and what it did was it didn't allow the 10 Hertz to read correctly, so that's why they came up with these covers to protect those, so it can read correctly.
Thank you for watching. This concludes our training today on the FAME SlamStick download. This video was brought to you by the CNATU Oceana Public Affairs.
Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to fill out the survey down below in the comments section and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also feel free to leave comments there.